Hey, what's up students? If you've made it this far, you want to make a Flipgrid video to share a celebration message. It's really easy. All you have to do is click on this link right here, and that will bring you to Flipgrid. A lot of times, it's going to ask you to log in with Google, and then choose your school account. Then there's a 6th grade celebration message. You can watch this message from me. But the whole point is to say hello to your classmates with a Flipgrid video. You're going to click on this plus sign. Now this one's a little bit different because we're collecting all these videos to share during the celebration, so you won't be able to see other students until the day of the celebration. But you'll just click on this and then record your response. So I think I'm going to record one. Hey everybody, I just wanted to say congratulations on a great 6th grade year. 6th grade is a big transition and you all nailed it. Look forward to seeing you again next year. Boom, I nailed it. I'm going to click the next button. Okay, I like that. That was good. And then my selfie. Here with me. Okay, next. All right, that looks good. And submit. That's the whole thing. Press complete and you're done. Just to make sure we know that you're done, click the submit button and you're all done. All right, see you on the internet.